What's going on, guys? I'm back from ISSE. Here's the recap video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I came straight back home, shipped out about 40 color cards, sold about 40 while I was in Long Beach at ISSE. So, man, I appreciate you guys so much. Guys, make sure you stay tuned. Watch the whole video. I built a custom Babyliss FX clipper. But without further ado, let's get to it.
Hard work and dedication. Sometimes you don't have everything you need, but everything you need is right here, and right here. You don't need no tripod.
Bozio's custom FX I showed you yesterday. Basically an all graphite body with the neon green. Got the Babyliss badge, the lever, and then this is the custom power clip. Guys, I'm thinking I might do mine like an all black with the green. What do you guys think? We might head over there shortly and build one. All right, y'all, we in Long Beach. I'm thinking about heading over and grabbing some custom FX. We'll show y'all this catalog. But I'm with my man here. Tell them who you are.
Javier, you can find me on IG at jolly.cuts.
I'm gonna put it on there. Send it to me, I'll put it on there.
Yeah.
You think I should go cop a custom FX?
Hell yeah.
All right, we're gonna head over that way and put it on the channel. Man, guys, I don't know which one to do. The black and green, the green and black, the red and green. They building them right now. Come over here and check them out. right, guys, the show's over. We just packed up the RV, the whole booth in there. About to go eat. Last night in Long Beach. Show was great. Definitely more of a Cosmo show, so not a lot of barber stuff. Try to show you guys what I could. But we about to go eat. Go pack up the room. Get out of here in the morning. Get back to Kentucky. So y'all leave me some feedback. Let me know what you think. Definitely let me know what you think of my custom clipper. I'm stoked with it. Of course, this is my clutch green. So let me know what you guys think. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit that button. I'm gonna keep dropping 2 videos a week. So I got some more coming. I got a huge transformation coming. Y'all give me a thumbs up and catch y'all next time. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click this link right here. If you want to check out some more content from me, check out this video right here. Appreciate it.